To all, welcome to our channel TechNaukri India. Guys, whoever is watching our channel, please do subscribe because from now onwards we are going to launch a new series for all the aspirants in preparing for the probationary officer for various posts. And today we are going to discuss about a very important step in succeeding any examination. And today it is about the probationary officer or the engineer, whatever you call, which has been called in the BEL, that is Bharat Electronics Limited, and the paper analysis we have done in such a format so that which subjects we need to target, and from those subjects how we need to cope up ourselves in preparing and in cracking the examination. And if you have to crack the examination, first step is to understand about the paper analysis and then stress more on those particular subjects which have more weightage in your examination point of view, right? So that is what is our prime step in any examination to succeed. So here is our previous year paper, and even in next upcoming examination the pattern will be like this. That is, the technical subjects you will be having 100 questions, and from general aptitude you will be having 25 to 50 questions, and in this it will be 25 questions. Okay. And now going forward towards the aptitude and reasoning, what are the subjects you need to focus in order to get score more? So here the logical reasoning, so and so topics you need to cover, and then for especially for English language, so and so subjects, and then for numeracy you need to cover these subjects, these topics, and then for general knowledge you need to cover these particular topics. Okay, sir, if I cover all these topics, will I be able to score 25? Yep. Yes, but until today there is no one who has scored out of out, because there will be a probability of analysis as well as application oriented questions. And with respect to the general knowledge, you guys are well aware, if you are preparing for everyday paper analysis or newspaper reading, that is a very good habit. Based on that you can score a very good marks in general topics. But these logical reasoning and the English language as well as the numeracy is the one which you need some practice. So please, I suggest you to practice every day minimum 30 minutes on the topics mentioned, minimum 30 minutes from the topics mentioned until the date is announced, examination date, and so that it will be very much helpful for you guys to crack the examination. That is minimum 30 minutes. I suggest you to prepare for the aptitude part. And now going towards a very important part, that is technical. The technical series is like this. Guys, coming towards the technical part, there is a syllabus mentioned for electronics as well as for mechanical and computer science as well as for electrical and electronics, just excluding here the electronic subjects, one or two subjects, and and replace it with machines and replace it with machines 1 and machine 2. Okay, and that will help you a lot, and even the power electronics part. Okay. But now coming towards the electronics part, which has a major number of seats in the particular notification. See, the subjects you need to cover are so and so: the electronic devices and circuits, analog circuits, and the computer architecture and organization, and electromagnetic field theory, which is very important, and signals and systems. Okay. And control system, very very important, and material science, electronic measurements and instrumentation, or the transducers and network theory, and the digital electronics. So in these subjects, which are the main subjects I need to cover if I have to crack the examination? That is very important. So based on this, in the next upcoming slides we will discuss on each topic how many questions we may get and which subject we need to stress more ourselves in cracking the examination. And coming towards the mechanical part, there is a material science, metallurgy, mechanics, strength of materials, thermodynamics, automotive engines, heat transfer, and production technology. And coming towards the computer science, here there are some subjects like this. Okay, you can just go through. And now going towards a very important, that is electronics. Electronics, With respect to the 2025 series of examination which was conducted before, right? In that you may see such a pattern of questions which are repeated or which were asked in the examination point of view, and the subjects with respect to the questions, number of questions. And here if you see the major portion, that is 15 percentile, is the first subject you need to focus. That is which one? That is analog electronics. Very, very important, guys. You can just mark it down here, and I will be doing the classes for these subjects so that you can score much better with highest efficiency. Okay. And now coming towards the second topics, that is control system. You see, the second topic is the control system. Okay. There are totally 14 number of questions which were asked before and 15 questions from analog electronics, and then the 13 percentile, that is the semiconductor devices, which are these are the basic fundamental blocks for any electronics engineers, right? So 13 questions. Okay. And then coming towards the digital electronics. Digital electronics is also plays a very important, that is why it is the fourth place. And out of these four subjects, if you read very well, you can score easily 50 to 55 marks. Just mark it down, guys. 50 to 55 marks you can score. 50 percentile are only from these four topics or these four subjects, and rest covers the 50%. And in this you can see the electromagnets has the next important subjects, and then the communication, and similarly all other subjects, the signal processing and microprocessors and the other miscellaneous subjects, all inclusive of all together. Okay, so this is how you need to focus, guys. Focus more on those subjects which I stressed now, that is digital electronics, analog electronics, control system and the semiconductor systems or the semiconductor topics, and then the electromagnets. If you score more in these subjects, the rest subjects are just a touch up so that you can score better in that as well. So I suggest you strongly prepare minimum 7 subjects, minimum 7. The first top 7 subjects you need to cover, minimum you need to cover 7 to 7 subjects. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7 until here. If you cover until this, and rest is only a, and some of them will come from the repetitive as well. I mean the miscellaneous covers within this. There are few other questions which are again from the digital, analog and communication, and that I have put it in the miscellaneous part. So but main topics are these particular topics. Please do prepare well. You don't have much time, and start your preparation from now onwards. Do not neglect, but it's a exam is easy once you understand the concept thorough and with the practical experience. Okay, and next going towards the another sort topic or another position, that is electrical and electronics, that is doubly guys or triply guys. The main subject to focus is the machines, power system, power electronics and the drives, and then the network theory and the control system, and measurements and measuring instruments. These subjects are the one which covers more than the 60 to 70 percentile. You can see here 60 to 70 percentile covers here, and rest is only 14, 14 and 20 and 24. Rest is only 24 percentile. And you see here it is up to 76 percentile of subjects are from only these subjects, and rest they will ask the questions but very less portion. So I suggest you to start your preparation from today onwards. Do not waste your time, and I will be doing the classes for so and so subjects. Please subscribe to our channel and you will be updated with all the important and interesting questions in the coming days. Okay, and now let us go into the mechanical part. Mechanical, there is very important subjects, and I have just listed with the topics wise as well. And you can see the engineering graphics, FEA, modeling, drawings and isometric orthogonal, it will be 9 questions, and the strength of material 8 questions, and the material part 7 questions, and you can see there is metrology and measurements also 7 questions, and the fluid mechanics 6 questions, and production and operations, heat transfer, operation research. These are all 5 marks questions, guys. Okay, these are all asked. Each subject has 5 marks weightage and 4 marks weightage here, and then the 3, and then the 2, and then the 1. Focus more on those topics which have more weightage, so that it will be much easier for you to crack the examination. And now let us going towards the computer science, that is CSE background people. CSE background people need to focus more on these first two digit number of questions you see here: algorithm and data structures, operating system, database management system, computer networks and theory of computation or compiler, and then the digital logic and computer organization. And rest covers somewhere like 30 35 percentile, 30 to 35 percentile. Okay, and rest all are 70 percentage. Okay, focus more, do not waste your time, and please subscribe to our channel so that you will be notified with all the important information, key information with the examination point of view and the preparation strategy, and how to crack. We will crack it easily. Do not worry much. Prepare well and stay tuned with us, and subscribe our channel so that you will be getting updates sooner once I posted. Okay, and thank you guys. Please do like the button. Click on the like button if you like the information which is provided in this video, and also please share this video with all of your friends and groups, so that let everybody know with respect to their branches what is the percentile and which subjects I need to prepare well, so that I will be cracking this examination. And I wish you all the best, guys. Take care. See you in the next session. Good day. Bye.